Hello everybody. Today I'm going to continue the section we started in last video about the VI editor and how to use it in a terminal, Linux terminals. So as you might remember, we talked about on how to move your cursor when you get into the editing mode using the VI editor. But today we'll talk about how to replace the contents. What shortcut do you use to replace a character, a word, or a line? How do you do that in a short, easiest? As you remember, you might. You can replace all this stuff by using the backward slash, but I mean the backspace. But is that a faster way? Is that a efficient way? I believe the shortcut would definitely help a lot. So to do that, let's go into my folder, into the file I have there. So as you see, I have a dummy file that I have some content in it. It's called test.txt, and I'm going to clear this page. So let's go into the VI mode. Let's go into the editor mode using the VI. So let's go here. So where we are in the editing mode using the VI. As if, like what? As if we are in any other editors like Sublime or Text Edit or any other. But when you are in a Linux box, there's no such GUI editor. What you have is the terminal. That's why I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to show you on how you would do and how you would edit a file using the VI editor. So as you see, my cursor is in the third line. So I am not in the insert mode, as you see here. Down. There is nothing. I'm not in the insert mode, as you see here. This would be an insert mode, but I'm going to get out. It says I'm not in the insert mode. I'm just getting into this so that I cannot add ideally. So now that I'm here, like you see here, this is contrary. See this contrary. My cursor is in the C before C, or see here, CONTRARY. So, for example, this is going to be a character replace. If I wanted to replace the character Y, I have to be before it first. And what do I use? What shortcut do I use? It's going to be R. The key R. Okay, I'm going to press K and I'm going to type, what am I doing? Instead of Y, I'm going to replace it by O, for example. So I'm going to press R. It won't do anything. R, it doesn't do anything, but I'm going to replace O. It replaces the Y. So when I press the R key, it made it to be in the what? In the replace mode. It was waiting for me to press any key so that it will replace that character that comes after the cursor, which was Y. When I press O, it replaced the Y by O. So let's do it again. I'm going to do R. So I want to replace by P. So when I press R, I have to press the character that I want to use instead of what is there. That will replace it. The other one is how would I replace a word? So let's say here traditional. So to replace a word, first you have to be before the whole word, which is now I am in front of the traditional. I'm in front of T, because it will take the whole content of word after the cursor. If I were to be if I were to be after a, next to a, what would it be? What would it do? It would replace the rest of the word of the traditional, which is ditional. It would replace the one. It will leave the tra behind, and then it will replace by whatever content I give. So, and then the shortcut I use for that is what? Like I said, change word, which means CW. I'm going to do this. So I will replace by traditional by cultural. So it's going to be CW. So look at that. It deleted it right away. And then it brought it into the insert mode. Now I'm ready. Cultural. So now I'm in the cultural. I think it's U, I guess. I'm bad at spell. So it replaced the cultural. And then that's what I did. By pressing CW, it deleted the word, and also it put me in the insert mode so that I can replace whatever it was deleted. So again, since I'm in the insert mode, I cannot use the shortcut at this time, because it's going to, whatever key I put, it will be placed there as a character, not going to be it won't be treated as a shortcut. So to get out of the insert mode, what do? I press escape. So I get out of the insert mode. Now that I can do, again, what do I do? To replace this cultural, I can replace it again back by traditional. How do I do? I press again CW. It deleted the cultural. It brings me into the insert mode. Then I am ready to put traditional. Right. So this is the CW, which is changing a word. The other one is changing replacing the whole line. Let's say you believe this whole line is useless. What do? I have to replace the whole line by whatever I am planning to, or I can write it again. The good thing of this is it will make it empty, wait for me to put, because it's not deleting it, it's just emptying it. So let's put, let me show you what I mean with it. So to change a line, you have to, you will press the double C twice, CC. You'll press CC, and then it will delete the whole line, and then it will wait for me to put whatever sentence I'm gonna replace. To do that, what I have to do? I have to get out of the insert mode first of all, because it's already there in the insert. It's in the insert mode since I was doing the change word. Now I have to get out of the insert mode by pressing the escape key. Escape. Now as you see here, I'm in the contra. This guy here. I want to replace this whole line by something else. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna press the C key twice. C. Look at that. It deleted the whole line, and then it brought me to the insert mode, and I have to change. This line is replaced by pressing the double C key, and I was changing the word using the shortcut CW, and I was also replacing a char using the shortcut key. Okay, so now I'm in the insert mode. I was able to put anything by replacing the whole line that was there, and now I'm happy. What am I doing? I'm gonna escape. So I'm ready to get out. What do I save it? It means the colon W, right, which is save, and get out. Get out, of course. So I'm gonna press this, and then I'm out. So you will see I can clear this box, and then I can check what I have there. See, this is the sentence that I replaced. See, this line is replaced by ~cc key, and I was changing the word using the shortcut CW and changing replace using the shortcut key, R key. I hope this is helpful. I'll come back with another video regarding to the other power of the VI editor. So for now, I'm gonna leave you by saying bye. Have a good one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And like always say, leave me your comment and leave me any question you have you want me to make video of. Otherwise, bye.